ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରୁଛୁ ସେ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟର first batch ଆପଣମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
First of all, I want to say about this OUPP program that the Odisha Upskilling and Placement Program was an initiative taken by the government of Odisha to enhance the skills and empower ourselves.
I think it's a great initiative to enhance the skills of the students and to help them getting placed.
So you are the lucky ones who have been selected for the first of its kind program conducted by government of Odisha. But the decision to take this was taken by the Honorable Chief Minister. एत्ते पिला मनक पे एत्ते टोंका खर्चा करिबा की Honorable CM guided us, said that no, we'll take it up in 5T, which will see a transformation. Do something for the state and do something whenever you get an opportunity to help anyone from Odisha. And the Honorable CM will be happy. आपण माने कौन return gift देवे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री के?
Will make our state the best IT sector in our country.
If this spreads, this 180 will become 18,000 in no time. Imagine the impact it will have on Odisha's economy. All the best, kids. Jai Jagannath. Thank you.